Hi, in this quick vid I'm going to show you how to install Divi and add your license so you can start designing your website. So first of all, you would download the zip file that Divi provides you once you purchase with Elegant Themes. Next, you would log into your WordPress website and then go down to the Appearance panel, click on that and then click Add New and then Upload Theme. And we're going to choose the file. So mine's in my downloads. I'm going to click that and then click open and then install. And that may take a couple of minutes to install. Okay, so that's done. So now we want to click activate. And there it is. So it's installed and activated and ready to go. So the next thing I would do is go down to Divi, which is this panel here, and click on theme options. And I'll go to updates. Next, I would add in my username and copy and paste my API key from my Elegant Themes account. And then once you've done that, hit Save Changes. So now that that's done, now you'll be able to update Divi, and you'll also be able to use the Divi templates. And the last thing I would do before I start building is go to this Builders tab and then the Advanced tab, and make sure this is ticked on, the Classic Editor, and then Save Changes. So if you click the Classic Editor, this is what you'll see once you go into Pages. If I go into my home page, you'll see the Classic Editor, which is, I think it's a lot easier to navigate. And then from there you can start to use the Divi Builder. So for example, if we just click on Use Divi Builder, you've got the three options. You can build the page from scratch, you can choose a pre-made layout, or you can clone an existing page. Obviously we don't have any existing pages, so this one we can't use until we start building. So if you wanted to get started, you could choose a pre-made layout, and then it will show you that there's 219 layouts that you can choose from. So that's how you start designing, but we'll go through that in another video. I'm going to close that, update my page, and there you have it. So we've just shown you how to install Divi, add the license, and enable the Classic Builder. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.